Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sharing a community via SMS in X. Sharing a community through text messages allows you to reach out to individuals and invite them to join your community with just a simple message. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to share a community via SMS in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, you have two options. You can either tap on the desired community icon directly or utilize the search icon to find the community you want to share. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Scroll up on the community page to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll find the share icon. Tap on it to initiate the sharing process. Step 5. In the sharing options, tap on Share Via and select Messages. This will open your device's messaging app with a pre-populated message containing the community details. Simply enter the recipient's phone number and send the message to share the community. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a community via SMS in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.